For phonics this week, remember we are working on the final syllables T-I-O-N, shun, like right here, T-U-R-E, chur, like right here, and I-O-N, yun, like right here. So you're going to go across the top and say the sounds like this. Yun, chur, shun, chur, yun, shun. So when you get to a word like this, notice that there is a shorter word right here, and then the ending shun. So you could go cap, shun. Let's look at a word that has T-U-R-E at the end. So this is culture, culture. Here is, down here, let's go to this one. This is the word, let's see. If I sound it out with a short O, let's see what happens. Opinion, opinion. Oh, I bet it would sound better if I flipped the sound. Opinion. It's kind of a funny thing because that O doesn't say a long O and it doesn't really say a short O. It just kind of says like a O, opinion. It kind of says an sound, doesn't it? All right, so your job is to say the final syllable endings across the top. Sound out if you need to and read all of the blue words. Read those green words, those are good practice too. And then read the red sentence. When you get to a really long word, remember to look for parts of a word. Oh, look, here's a word right here. And then here's a word. That's a compound word, so I bet you could figure that out if you figured out the two words and then put them together. When you're done with that, go to the next slide. The learning target says I can read and sort words with the final syllables chur, shun, and yun. So please read the words below and type them into the correct box. The first one is done for you, mixture. So then if I go here and I sound out this word station, station, I would go here and I would type in station. When you have read all of the words and sorted them into the correct boxes, please press the X and the blue turn-in button.